Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to create and sell my own CryptoKitty NFT. So if you're unaware of digital art and especially what's going on in the NFT space, you're going to want to stick around because I've created my very own NFT and it's based on my own cat Arctic. Now, if this NFT actually does sell, we're going to be giving all the money away to Arctic for his cancer treatment. He does have cancer and he has to take expensive treatment every 3 to 6 months. So if you do end up buying this, or if you do want to help out, I'll leave a link below in the description. And again, even if it doesn't sell, don't worry, we're still going to be making sure he gets the best treatment for a cat with cancer. So let's go ahead and dig right into this video, and we're getting started right meow. Now, before we start off, I just wanted to show a really cute photo of Arctic. I absolutely love this cat. He's one of my best friends. He's turned me into a cat lover overnight, and I absolutely love him. He's the inspiration for this art piece. Essentially what I did is I took a really cute photo of him and sent it off to somebody on Fiverr to create a digital art piece, and which I'm going to be turning into a NFT. And as you can see here, it's adorable. It's really cute. Now, you're probably wondering before we get started, what actually is an NFT? And I made another video about buying NFTs, which I'll link at the end. But if you're not sure about what NFTs are, they're non-fungible tokens, which is essentially a unit of data on a digital ledger called the blockchain, where each NFT can represent a unique digital item, and thus they are not interchangeable. NFTs can represent a variety of digital files such as art, audio, videos, video games, music, any type of digital file or digital asset. And one of the best examples that I can find of explaining NFTs and why they are so valuable and kind of reshaping complete industries from the music industry to the art industry is the Mona Lisa. So imagine visiting the Mona Lisa. I've been there to Paris. I've been to the Louvre, and I took a photo of the Mona Lisa. Now, trying to sell that photo is going to get me nothing. Maybe some pennies, maybe some dollars, comparatively to the actual original Mona Lisa, which is almost invaluable. But again, it's worth so much more than a photo of that. Now, one of the ways is, let's say I go on Amazon and I get a one-to-one duplicate copy of the Mona Lisa. Again, there's going to be people that are very skeptical that I'm selling the Mona Lisa, and that's the big differentiator with NFTs is you're going to use blockchain technology to prove that you have the original ownership of that digital asset. That can be anything from songs, anything like digital artwork, music, movies, anything like that. It's going to be proof on the blockchain ledger that you own the original art piece and that you're going to be able to sell it. So there's a lot of interesting use cases, and it's a really interesting time for artists because they can really get creative with the NFT structure. For example, I've seen some DJs sell NFTs where for every person that buys an NFT, they're going to get exclusive backstage access for the rest of their life as long as they hold that NFT. And the other interesting thing is if they sell that NFT, the artist is actually going to get some commission and cut from that transaction. So it's a really interesting time for any type of artist, and it's really reshaping the industry. Now, a lot of these NFTs are going to essentially be worthless over time. Like anything, there's going to be a bubble, and around 99.9% of the stuff is going to be worthless. But again, I'm doing this just to experiment. I'm not personally investing too much money into this, but again, it's something I wanted to learn more about. And today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to actually sell an NFT. I've gone ahead and created it. Now let's go ahead and walk you through the process. I'm going to switch over to my laptop so that way it's easier to follow along. Hey everyone, so let's get started with selling our first NFT, and I'm going to be utilizing OpenSea.io, which is one of the largest NFT marketplaces to buy, sell, and discover rare digital items. What you can do is just start off by clicking create here. I've created a collection already. This is going to be my Arctic CryptoKitty collection. And essentially what you need to do is once you get create, you got to create a type of collection. You can just do one type of item. And to get started, all you have to do is add a new item. And one thing to note is before you actually can create an account, you're going to need something like a wallet app. And one of the wallet apps I use is the Coinbase one. This one just syncs over really well. Since I'm already buying crypto through Coinbase, it was the best and easiest option for me. Now there are a few other options if you want to use something else, and you can go ahead and use MetaMask or other types of options that are compatible with OpenSea. Now, as you can see here, here's all the different types of files that are available to actually make an NFT out of. And essentially what we're going to do is, I essentially took this photo of my adorable cat Arctic on his birthday party, had somebody over at Fiverr make it into a unique art piece, bought the commercial rights for it so I can sell it. And essentially we're going to take this digital art piece and turn it into a non-fungible token, meaning it's going to be one of one, and whoever does end up buying this is going to have proof on the blockchain that this is the original and one of one of the Arctic CryptoKitty collection. So what I need to do is just click here and essentially just add this attachment here. I've got it right here. So I'm just going to name it the Arctic. I'm going to name it the Arctic CryptoKitty birthday. I'm not going to put in any links. As you can see here from the description, I'm going to say, hey everyone, my name is Arctic and I'm battling cancer. All proceeds will go towards my cancer treatment. So again, even if this doesn't sell, don't worry. We're going to get him the best care possible, and every 3 to 6 months he's getting special shots and treatment. But don't worry, even if this doesn't sell, Arctic will still get his treatment. So as far as the name, we've got the description filled out. We can add some properties. I'm not going to do this, but you can add certain properties that are clickable and can be filtered when people are looking for it. So you've got some few other options here. I'm not going to mess around with that. You can also do unlockable content. This is going to be things that are only revealed to when the owner. You could, put in a exclusive call, or you could add some sort of thing that this unlocks when somebody does actually buy it. And again, this is going to be the supply. If you put out more than one, then it's not going to technically be it'll be a fungible token, and it won't be a non-fungible token. So let's go ahead and create this. So we've created it. Now we're going to go ahead and sell it. So to sell it, we need to link up our account. So here you can set the price. You can sell a fixed or declining price, auction to the highest bidder. And I'm going to put a amount of 1 Ether, minimum bid. I'm going to put it at 0.5. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a bid. The minimum bid is going to be half an Ethereum. So around $1,000. The reserve price will be 1 Ether. So essentially, if nobody bids above 1 Ethereum, then the auction will just end. The expiration date for 7 days, and you can add some instructions. Over here it shows OpenSea rewards 1% to affiliates. No, they actually take 2.5% of the fee of the total sales price. Okay, so once you fill this out, you're going to have to post your listing, and to actually authenticate this, you're going to need to pay some Ether. Right now it's showing me that, let's see, 109 Ether to actually confirm and mint this. So let's go ahead and see what happens if we go ahead and start this process. So it's going to take a while for this to confirm. With Ethereum right now, the transactions are taking a long time because it is so busy. So I'm going to go ahead and come back to this. Let's see how long it actually takes. So essentially, when you first start off selling something on OpenSea, to allow OpenSea to sell items in your account, you must first complete a free plus gas transaction. Keep this tab open while we wait for the blockchain to confirm your action. Now, this is extremely expensive, $100 to get started. But again, let's see what happens and how much it actually costs to sell this. So it should be a one-time fee. Once you get this fee done, then you'll be able to buy and sell easily on OpenSea. So let's see how long this takes. Come back to here shortly. Hey everyone, so I finally got the CryptoKitty on OpenSea available to be sold. And it was a really buggy process because essentially they had to verify my account, and I was trying to buy and sell all within an hour, and I think it just kind of messed up there. So I definitely suggest, if you're getting started off, go ahead and just do a really small transaction to get your account initiated. Now, when you're going to sell something, there is a one-time kind of fee to get your account set up. So once you pay that fee, it actually doesn't go to OpenSea. It's essentially just going to the miners and kind of is syncing your accounts. So make sure you go ahead and do that. Try to not do it like I did, where I was doing too many things at once. I think that caused some issues. And now I've got my CryptoKitty Arctic for sale on OpenSea, and we'll see what happens over the next 7 days. I'm going to be publishing this video, but if it does go crazy or something, if people start auctioning on it I'll definitely do a follow-up. So thank you so much. If you learned something new in this video, make sure you go ahead and like it, give it a thumbs up, and again, make sure you consider subscribing. I just crossed 2K subscribers, and I'm really looking forward to doing more of these videos and sharing as much value as I can along this crazy journey of life. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.